Now in this tutorial, I want to walk you through the steps of setting up your content upgrade so that it can be delivered to your new subscriber. Now, once your new subscriber actually opts in to receive your freebie or your pre-product promo opt-in, if it is a download, then you will need a way to get it into their hands. So if you're not using a platform like Teachable, you will need a place to actually host your document or host your PDF or your audio file so that you can create a URL for your readers to easily download your resource. So if you are using WordPress to deliver your content upgrade or your freebie, what you'll want to do is come into your dashboard and click on Media, and then you're going to hit Add New. Then you're going to want to choose the media file that you want to upload. So once the PDF has been uploaded into your WordPress media library, what you're going to want to do is simply add a title or edit the title, and you're going to want to add a description. The next step is to actually grab the URL that you see here, and this will be the URL that you use to deliver your content upgrade. So you can either add this URL in your welcome email or on a thank you page that new subscribers are redirected to immediately after they opt in. Now, the second way for you to deliver your content upgrade and freebies is to use Amazon S3. So Amazon S3 is a cloud storage service which is free up to a certain limit. And even if you are uploading your content upgrades and freebies to WordPress or even Teachable, where you can host your documents on those different platforms, I always upload my audios and my videos and a backup of my content upgrades because you just never know what is going to happen. WordPress can crash, Teachable can fall off the face of the earth. So I want to always have access to my videos and to my files. So once you log into your S3 Amazon dashboard or to your console, what you're going to want to do is create or add a new folder or what's called a bucket. So you're going to click this blue button here that says Create Bucket. You're going to give it a name. You're going to select the region that's closest to your location, and then you're going to click Create. And you can see our new folder or our new bucket here. So you're going to click on this button and you're going to upload your files, your PDF, your audio file to this bucket. You're going to click Upload and you're going to drag and drop your files or zip file folders to the upload area here. So once your file has been uploaded, you're going to click Start Upload. So after you upload your file, you can rename your file. You can click Actions and then click on Rename, and then you can rename your file. But the most important thing is that you want to make sure that your file is made public. So you want to click the tab that says Make Public. It's going to ask you if you're sure that you want to make this public. You're going to hit OK. And you want to do this because if it is not public, if anyone tries to download this file, they are going to get an error message. So once you make your files public, the next step is to go in and grab the URL. You want to do this by going to Actions, clicking Properties, and then you will see the URL here. And you may notice that this file URL is super duper long. You can actually shorten this up by using a bit.ly link, or you can create a pretty link on your website. So when you give or share the link with your students or your subscribers, they have a nice pretty link to click on. So this is the link that you will use to redirect your new subscriber to, or add this link to your welcome email so that they can actually download it. You can also add this to a thank you page Once they opt in, they're taken to a thank you page, and this link is embedded within that thank you page, and then they can click the link or a button and then access their download. Now, the third option, and what I feel is one of the best options for delivering your content upgrades, is through LeadPages. So we know that giving away free content is the fastest and the easiest way to grow your audience, your email list, and your income. However, when you are creating and giving away lots of content upgrades, lots of freebies, and you're doing this within every single blog post that you are creating, then it can also be a big fat pain in the butt. So for example, let's say that on one blog post that leads into an opt-in box or a landing page where you're giving away a free audio. And you have another blog post where you're giving away a free ebook, and then another blog post where maybe you're giving away a video. So for each of these opt-in boxes or freebies that you're giving away, typically you would have to create a new email list in, say, MailChimp or Aweber or whatever your email service provider is. And you'd have to create a new sign-up form as well for that particular email list. And then you would need to create a new follow-up email that delivers your freebie, that audio, that free ebook, or that video. So for each of these landing pages or each of these opt-in boxes that I just mentioned, where you are delivering your content upgrades, you have to go through this process individually for each freebie or content upgrade that you're offering. So every time that you offer a content upgrade, you have to do all three steps in order to be able to deliver your content upgrade to your new subscriber. And it can easily cause lots of confusion and make for a lot of extra steps that you have to do and that you have to keep track of. But with LeadPages, you can create a landing page or you can create an opt-in box. You can select the email list that people should be added to, and then you can tell LeadPages which freebie they should deliver when someone actually opts in on that opt-in box. So let me show you how easily it is to set this up inside of LeadPages. So what you're going to do is you are going to create a new lead box by clicking this blue button here, and then you're going to use the Create a Lead Box with Standard Builder. Now within the opt-in box that you're using, you are going to select the opt-in form integration section. And then you're going to select a list that you'd like to add your new subscriber to. And then you're going to click Customize this form. Next, you're going to turn on the digital asset delivery. So where it says here, send an email after someone opts in on this lead box, you're going to click this on to yes. And you see here that a new section opened up where you can select the lead magnet that you want to give away when someone opts in on this opt-in box or landing page. So for example, you can see here all of the content upgrades that I have added to my LeadPages account that I can assign to be given away when someone opts in on a particular landing page or opt-in box. So once this is set up, when someone opts in on this opt-in box, then they are going to receive or get an email directly from LeadPages, okay, giving them their freebie or their content upgrade download that you've just selected here from this drop-down menu. And they're also going to get any other emails, follow-up emails that you've set up within your email service provider to send out when someone signs up for your email list. So whether that is your welcome email series or say your pre-product promo sales funnel series. So once you choose which freebie or content upgrade that you will be delivering, you can come in and customize this email. You can give it a subject line, a sender name, sender email address, and you can add a message. This is also a good place to add an upsell. So when your new subscriber receives this message, you can actually add copy to this message that prompts them to check out a paid product of yours or a limited time offer or something of that nature. So just to give you an example of what this looks like, here is the email that LeadPages sends on my behalf when people sign up or they opt in to the content upgrade to receive my Epic Biz and Blog Planner. So they can click this blue button here to actually claim their download, their freebie. And then I actually include a link which takes them to a paid version of this planner where they can go ahead and they can purchase the editable version for $7. So a great way to not only deliver your content upgrade, but to also include some type of upsell. So to add a file to give away with your landing page or your opt-in box, under your accounts section, under your name here, your admin section, you're going to click on lead magnets. Okay. And this is going to take you to the lead magnet delivery section. And you're going to create new lead magnet. And then you're just going to upload the file that you want to give away. And you can literally give away any type of freebie, like a zip file, a PDF, free report. You can give away entire courses, videos, MP3s, and so on and so on. So again, that means that when people opt in to this opt-in box or to this landing page, they're added to your main or your primary email list that you've created in your email service provider, but they are sent the freebie that you have just created here. So once you have completed all this information, you've given your lead magnet a name, included your sender email information, the sender name, which would be your name or your company name, and you've included a message. And again, this is where you can add a link or put copy to prompt people to take a look at a paid product that you may be offering. Once you've done that, you're going to click Save. And you can see here all of the different lead magnets that I have created. So that's it. LeadPages makes it super easy to send your new subscribers all of your awesome content.